All right, this time we're going to do some factoring. We're going to use our GDC to help us out. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our equation and we're going to graph this as x squared plus 4x plus 3. And we're going to graph it. And there's our equation here. And if we look at this, the part that we're looking for is we want to find our x-intercepts, which is a common thing that we do in mathematics. So I'm going to go second, trace, calculate my 0, do my left bound. Well, I'm going to do the one that's on the left first. So left of that point will be like -5. The right of that point will be maybe -2. And I'll guess at -3. Oh, my guess is correct. I get a -3. So this value here is -3. We're going to do the same process again, but for the other side. So do intersection or first wrong button. Do 0, which is number 2. Left bound will make it -2. Right bound will make it 3. And our guess will say, I'll say 0. And this value over here is -1.
Okay.
All right. So now, these are going to help me find the factors of this scenario here. And when I factor that, I'm going to make it an x and an x to get this first term. And I can also then, well, I need to get, the factors are going to be 3 and 1 somehow. And I have to multiply to get this, and add to get that. Well, if I add them together, what happens is the signs change. And so they both have to be positive. I have to always change the signs, and then I can factor it.
Okay. Yeah, that works. So we're just, maybe we're just sort of not looking at the signs so much, are we? We're just looking at the 3 and the 1, and then we're making sure when we do our FOIL, it gives us what we started off with.
And we're going to talk more in detail about what those signs are all about and how you get them. But for now, we just change them. Okay, so if we're to do this scenario, we look at our graph, and we'll make this a -4, and we'll delete that off. If I graph that, I see this. And so if I have this scenario, we'll make it, we find our x-intercepts, and if I trace this one, I'm going to guess this looks to be 2 to me, and I can see that it's 2. This one here, I'm going to guess it to be -2. And it is also -2. So I know these values here. This one's -2, and this one's 2. So if I factor it, I go x and x, 2 and 2. And that one will be the +2, and this one will actually be the -2. And if you remember from earlier, the -4 breaks plus or
Difference
minus.
of squares.
Difference of squares. So we can use our calculator to help us out find these values if we can't do it any other way, or if we just don't see it.